So you want to change your air filter, cabin air filter, and Lincoln MKZ 2013 and plus. Open your glove box, remove this plastic trim. Don't worry about those noises, just plastic clips in there. Come on. So there is, when it comes like this, one on the top, 2, 3, 4, and one on the bottom. And then let's go underneath, and you will have 2 bolts holding it in place. Remove them just like this. All right, Phillips screws. Empty the glove box first, which I'm doing now. So now just drop it. You have to pull on this side because there is one and second like a clip holding it in place. Same on the other side. So just pull on it, and there is a wire. I'll show you where. So there is this connector. We push on this clip and disconnect it. That's easy as that. Now on the top there are 2 Phillips screws, so you have to remove these on each side. So one is here. A screw on the other side as well. I'm gonna pull on these 2 tabs, but be careful. On this side is already broken. There is a side tab as well, and I don't know if you see it. I can bring the camera a little closer. So there is a little like a side tab, and you have to press it on sideways like that. Push it to the side, and then when you pull on this tab down and push this one sideways, then it will open up. So I'm gonna press on this tab sideways and pull on this one at the same time, and I will have access to my air cabin filter. Remember, the airflow is going from top to bottom. It's hard to pull on it. It's super dirty. Like it's black. Like black. Gonna get really nice and hot air in here. This is bad. Like honestly, this hasn't been changed for a long time. See all the debris? Beautiful. Well, let's get a new one. I got that Motomaster. It was a deal at a local hardware store. MCF11775. This looks way better. Oh yeah. It just doesn't have... Oh, it does. The airflow mark. So hopefully you can see it. The mark is facing down, so I can install the filter like it is. And this cabin air filter is compatible with Ford Fusion, and you have instructions how to replace it in your Ford Fusion, not Lincoln MKZ. So what is the difference is the air vent trim panel above the glove box. You have to remove that. That should be just holding with the 4 clips, holding this trim in place. And then you get an access to 2 bolts. They're supposed to be 7mm bolts, and you have to remove those to drop the glove box. Also, under the glove box compartment there are 2 7mm screws. You have to remove those 2 as well. So once you remove the top and bottom, you can continue doing what you just saw in this video. Just pull on the glove box, get access to those two screws, and remove the filter. So everything is nice and clean. We'll double check the airflow. You can probably see the arrow is facing down. Press the new air filter in. If it's not going, give it a little wig. You don't want to crash it or you don't want to bend it all the way in. So it's nice and snug in there. Close the door. You hear the click here. This door closed. So now it's time to install these two Phillips screws. One and second. Make sure it's nice and tight so you don't have any air gap in there. All we have to do now is connect this light connector back in. So doing it with one hand. Just like that. Click. Basically we're looking for these 4 rectangle openings to line them up with these white clips, okay? 2 on each side. For a better view, I set up my camera a little bit further. So I put my hand from the side holding this wire and line up those 4 clips against those holes and just press it in. It's easy as that. So once you press it in and it holds in position, open the glove box and install these 2 screws. One is here and the second comes right there. Close the glove box, and there is one more thing to do to put this panel back where it belongs. And job done. And because of the dirt I had there, we have to clean this mess so nobody can tell we are messy guys. Alright, so this is how you change the cabin filter in your Lincoln MKZ. Thank you for watching and come back again.